Hello everyone, welcome to a foreigner's life in the Philippines. Some days when it rains, it pours. I mean the faucets leak, so we'll have to check this dude out. First, we gotta shut the water supply off. Take a quick peek at the welders. Oh yeah, they're just having a heyday. He does a very nice job. He's got those suckers nice and straight. He'll finish the run welding here probably next couple days. And these floor joists, or floor trusses, they go up here. One rests on top here and one on the other side. Anyway, get back to our project here. Open a few faucets here and there. Open the shower. Now let's see if we got the water drained properly. Open her up, there's no water. Now if I can just find a place to set this thing. Looking at the world in the wrong way here. Come on, Paul. Now we got a little cover button here we need to take off. Get it up there out of the way. Get a little light on the subject. And to remove the handle. Come on, man. Be nice to me. Slippery soap. Yep, you got a Phillips screw in there. Do our inspection. A little bit of dirt, but not bad. Oh, what's that in there? Let's just clean it out. The seat doesn't seem to be damaged. Man, these phones are nice, but they're a pain in the butt. Okay, you never want to over tighten these. You bust the seal. Let's see if we can tighten it just a little more than what it was, maybe it'll quit running. That little screws being a pest. I don't like that setting. Maybe we'll try this. Yeah, I like that better. So if you set something here, the handle's not going to knock it off the table. Well, we'll go turn the water on again and see what happens. I'll be right back. Hey, look at that. Water comes out. Oh. Still drips. Let go of it. Okay, maybe that was a good sign. I'll need to lay the handle down so the weight of it keeps it from dripping. You'll just have to take this apart, take it to the hardware store and get a new part for it. Just a little bit, slight touch. I really don't like that. We're going to turn the handle backwards, maybe not backwards, but lay it down. Maybe the weight of it will keep it from dripping. By golly, Ned, it worked. Happy-lujah. Give that a few days to see what become of it. All right, another to-do list off the list. Thanks for watching in, everybody. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.